Are your kitchen cabinets showing signs of wear and tear? Do they seem to scream, "Upgrade me," every time you walk by? Kitchen cabinets play a pivotal role in maintaining aesthetics, organization, and functionality. If you're not sure whether it's time for an upgrade, we've got some telltale signs to help you decide. So, how can you tell if your kitchen cabinets need an upgrade? Here are 8 signs to look out for. First, lack of storage space. If you're constantly struggling to find room for your kitchen essentials, it might be time for a revamp. Second, excessive wear and tear. Cabinets are built to last, but if you see noticeable damage like chipping, cracking, or warping, then it's likely they've seen better days. Third, malfunctioning doors. Cabinets with doors that won't close properly or that creak every time you open them can be a sign that a replacement is due. Fourth, unusual smells. Cabinets, especially wooden ones, can absorb and retain unpleasant odors over time. If a deep clean doesn't remove the smell, it might be time for a change. Fifth, an outdated design. If your cabinets look like they belong in a different decade, a modern update could give your kitchen a fresh new look. Sixth, cluttered countertops. If your cabinets can't accommodate all your kitchenware, forcing you to use your countertops for storage, consider updating them. Seventh, water damage. If you notice warping, discoloration, or a musty smell, these could be signs of water damage, which often requires a cabinet replacement. And finally, an overall outdated kitchen design. If your kitchen doesn't inspire you or feels out of sync with the rest of your home, updating your cabinets can help to harmonize your space. If you've noticed any of these signs, it might be time to consider an upgrade. But don't fret. Upgrading your kitchen cabinets doesn't have to be a daunting task. Consider solutions like replacing cabinets, adding glass panels, a fresh coat of paint, installing new hardware, or replacing cabinet doors. And remember, Kitchens by Woody's is a top supplier for premium kitchen cabinets, offering custom cabinetry and kitchen design services. Reach out to Kitchens by Woody's today for a consultation on kitchen upgrades. They're here to help turn your kitchen into a place you love and want to show off.